Hey, it's me, Hasper with WTI, and if you love lipsticks as much as I do, I want you to stay here and see everything I like about this amazing lipstick from Revlon. This is the Color Stay Satin Ink from Revlon, and the reason why I'm so obsessed with this lipstick is that it leaves my lips super moisturized, and it's made with black currant seed oil, really moisturizing and high pigmented. I love that it's long lasting. It stays on my lips up to 8 hours, so that's a big thing to say. With this one, I am super confident when eating because I know that it never disappoints me. This shade is the 005 Silky Sienna, and I'm in love with it because it's super versatile. I can wear it during daytime or nighttime. It is a bright color that makes my lips look really hydrated. Even though it's a liquid lipstick, it doesn't dry up my lips and keeps them looking glossy. It is not sticky, which is also something that I appreciate because I usually have my hair down and I don't want to be in a super windy place with all my hair on my face and then sticking to my mouth. And so that's something I really appreciate about it. It is non-transfer, so I can easily drink a cup of water, and that's amazing. The shade is beautiful and it's super easy to apply. I love the applicator. It allows me to have a lot of precision when applying the lipstick, and I don't need much of the product to cover my lips. So if you want your lips to look like mine, super good looking and moisturized with this Color Stay Satin Ink from Revlon, I would highly recommend it. I would definitely recommend it to all my friends because it just looks so nice. Just look at it. And that's my point of view.